So hey guys, what's up? How are you all? Hope everything is fine. Welcome back to Buggy Vlogs guys. So guys, today we have come for Suzuki showroom. Metro Mobile, main dealers in value Suzuki. So let us go inside and check out the vehicles.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby.
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go and run it back.
You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.
So guys, this is the Suzuki Bergman Street, and it comes with FI engine. That means fuel injection. It is BS6 engine. This is the windshield of the scooty. It is not needed for a scooty, just for the design purpose it has fitted here. And this is the glossy finish of this vehicle. And this is the headlamp of this vehicle. It comes with DRL over here, LED overall here. In BS4 engine, there are halogen bulbs, but in BS6 it has LED lamp overall there. And this is the indicator lamp which has bulb. And here is the Suzuki logo which comes with chrome finishing. And there is reflector in this. And this is the 12-inch tire which comes with mag wheel and disc brake. This scooty is inspired by its own product, which is the Suzuki Intruder. And the glossy black finish is continued still here. And this is the self button. It has kill switch also. This comes only for the BS6 engine. And here is the headlamp button, high beam, low beam. This is the indicator button. And this is the horn button, beep beep. And here is the Suzuki badging. It has glossy finish, glossy black finish overall here. This is the instrumental cluster of this vehicle, which is inspired by Suzuki Intruder. Sorry, we could not on this instrumental cluster due to battery power low. There is some space here which is too huge. You will get one screw free. And here is the hook of this vehicle. And there is a small glow box in this vehicle. I have seen this is the first vehicle which has given glow box in this vehicle. And there is a socket here for charging. And the legroom of this vehicle is too large, and there is a hook here, and you can keep your leg like this. And the seat feels so comfortable, and the pillion seat is little bit high, like it is like Great Khali. And this seat has got red stitching overall here, and it is too comfortable, see. And there is glossy finish overall here. And the footrest of this vehicle comes with silver finish. And here it is written Bergman Street, which comes with chrome finishing. And there is the kick for this vehicle. The grab rail comes with glossy finish, glossy black finish. The pillion sitting back gets the grip of this grab rails. And these are the LED tail lamps. The indicator gets halogen bulb. And here is the Suzuki badging. And there is a light over here for the number plate. And there is a reflector over here. The rear tire of this vehicle comes with 10-inch tire. And it has mag wheels. And the exhaust look like machine gun. And there is the glossy black finish over here. And matte finishing overall here. And here it is written Bergman Street, which comes with chrome finishing. Here it is written BS6 because this vehicle is BS6. And here SEP Suzuki Eco Performance. And there is another footrest over here which comes with silver finishing. Let us access the storage space of this vehicle. And guys, the storage space is too huge. You can keep one full size helmet in this easily. And there are some compartments over here for keeping the first aid kit and some tools. This is the fuel tank of this vehicle. The capacity of this fuel tank is 5.5 liters and the mileage of this vehicle is 45 kilometers. So guys, that's it for Suzuki showroom. do visit the Suzuki showroom. It's near MES Ring Road, Bangalore. And the other details will be in description. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. You can follow us on Instagram. The link is given in description. If you like this video, please do comment, guys. No one is commenting properly. Please do comment. And thanks for watching this video. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in another vlog.